Hello and welcome to Luscombe Mitsubishi Leeds. I'd like to give you a walk around video on this super rare Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV Commercial 4Works. As you can see, it's a 65 plate in a lovely colour which is called Atlantic Grey. Yes, you're quite right, it does look like a car, but this is a commercial version which we class as a CDV, which is a car derived van. So you've got all the car comfort with all the commercial benefits, so VAT applicable, so if you're VAT registered you can claim your VAT back on this one. It is a four-wheel drive. It is super select four-wheel drive, so you can tell it when you want it in four-wheel drive. It is a hybrid as well. Mitsubishi's official figures on this one are 148 miles to the gallon. Some days you'll do more, some days you'll do less. This also has the rear parking sensors. Obviously with it being a van you can't really see out of them side windows. I just like to open the tailgate just to show you your working load area that you've got to play with. As you can see, massive. This vehicle will also be subject to congestion charge exempt because it's an alternative fuel vehicle. It only develops 44 CO2 emissions on this one, so it's just bonus all the way around. As you can see, it's been looked after. All the tyres and the wheels are all perfect order. It's got full service history of ourselves, so even though we didn't supply the car, it was a local car and we've looked after it all its life. I'll just take you inside. A car of this age had a half leather interior, as you can see there, very good order. As I was saying, outside you've got the super select four-wheel drive system there that you can just press on demand. With it being a hybrid, there's no gearbox involved, it's just backwards or forwards. You've got the dual climate control on the centre console there. Multifunction steering wheel. So basically you've got the cruise control on the right hand side, and you've also got the Bluetooth on your left hand side, which will answer all your phone and turn your radio up. Auto lights, auto wipers, so even though it's a commercial, no spec has been skimped on. As you can see by the mileage there, 48,960. It's a very rare car. They're becoming more and more popular because of the tax benefits for the company users. It's got all its charge cables with it. Car's ready to rock and roll. It will be fully serviced and fully MOT'd, even though it's just had its last service on August 2019. If you'd like to arrange a viewing or a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact Luscombe Mitsubishi Leeds. Thank you.